how to add and make and create team page on Google Sites. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Sites. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here, click on template gallery and scroll down to this work option, and here you will find this theme option, template. Click on it, click on it, and it will directly take you to this page right here. Now add your team name, for example Mark Team, like this, and now go here down and you can change all those informations. You can add pictures of your team and you can change the names, and yeah, everything can be changed as you can see. After you finish editing everything, go to the top here and click on publish. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.